Welcome back to my channel, guys. You don't know it's your girl Shugs, the queen of recipe, here today to share with you my roast fish recipe. Yes, this is going to be an awesome one. Guys, here I have a snapper fish. I have some green onions, some okra, one hot pepper, some fresh thyme. I have here some cabbage. I have a fish tea soup mix. I have my Maggi fish seasoning. I have my Maggi all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper. Here I have some garlic powder and onion powder mix, some hot cayenne pepper, and of course, I'll be using some margarine. So let's get right into making this wonderful, lovely video. So first we're going to cut up our cabbage and we're going to add it to a bowl. And that should be enough for just one fish. I'm just doing one single fish, like a medium-sized fish. And we're going to cut up some okra, and you want to make sure that you cut your okra slices very thin because we're going to put them into the fish and we want them to cook easily, okay? So about so you want to cut your okras just like this. Okay, guys? Okay, so we're done with our okras and we're just gonna add this to the bowl over here. And also, guys, I have half of a bell pepper and I use the red one just to get all that nice color in. We have the green, the white, the red, yes. So now I'm going to cut 2 stalks of green onion and we're gonna do everything nice and as thin as possible. Okay, and for our thyme, we're just gonna try to get out some of the bigger stems. Okay, guys, you can even strip the thyme like this. You don't have to cut it up. You can just strip the leaves off like so. Beautiful. Okay. So just get rid of these. See, get rid of the stems. And we have 1 hot pepper. You can put the pepper accordingly. I'm just gonna use probably half of this pepper because I will be using some cayenne as well. So I'm going in with like half of the pepper. Okay. Seasoning that I went over earlier in the video, I'm just going to be adding, just like, I'm just estimating this. You just want to just sprinkle all of these nice seasoning over your fish. But if you want like an estimate, I think I'm using about 1 teaspoon each. You want to get it inside and outside, okay? Lovely. And now I'm going to add my cayenne pepper. What you want to do now, you just want to rub this in on your fish, also on the inside. Looking amazing, right, guys? So now I'm just gonna add some garlic. And I love garlic, so I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of garlic. And here I have some onion flakes or dried onions. You can mince the onion if you like, but I'm going to be using just about half tablespoon of my dry onions, okay? And then this is where our fish tea comes in. I will be adding half pack of our fish tea noodle to our mixture, and then we're just gonna combine all of this together with the margarine. It seems as if my bowl is too small, so I'm gonna get a larger bowl. Okay, so now we have a larger bowl. Yes, I won't be adding any salt to this, so I've decided I'm gonna go ahead and use the 1 pack of fish tea instead of putting any more sodium in here. And then I'm just gonna combine this together. See how beautiful that looks, guys? Yes. So now we're gonna add our margarine. You can also use butter. So I'm adding about 3 tablespoons. You can put this on the inside of the fish and also on top of the fish or underneath the fish, or you can just put it on the inside. It's up to you. But I love vegetables, so I think I'm gonna do inside and on top. And I already made a lot, so it should be enough for inside and on top. And guys, you can put some water crackers, some Excelsior water crackers on top of your fish as well. See, this is what you're looking for. So combine the butter and all of that nice seasoning. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of black pepper. Mixing that butter with all that vegetable. You're gonna take your filling and you're gonna pop it on the inside of your fish like this, as much as you want, or as much as the fish can hold. Just like so. So you get a nice piece of foil paper. And you want to place your fish on the foil. See, just like so. I'll just get my seasoning off my plate. And then what I am going to do, I'm going to go ahead and pop some of this beautiful vegetable on top of my fish. Yes. See what I'm saying, guys? Put that beautiful vegetable on top of your fish, just like that. See how lovely that is looking? Beautiful. Yes, I'm going to put about 3 or 4 water crackers. You can just line them on top just like this. So I'll do 3 and back to wrapping our fish. So after you do the first wrap, then you get another piece of foil paper. Make sure to seal your fish so you can keep the steam inside. Okay, my people, I hope you're seeing this. So I have a baking tray underneath. And I have my grill on top. Then I put my fish on top of the grill. Here I have some warm water. You can use Make sure the water is warm or hot, and I'm going to pour it on my baking tray. Just to keep our fish nice and moist. And I'm using about a cup of water, and then we're going to place it in the oven just like so, okay? Okay, here it is, guys, the final result. I take it from the oven and open the foil paper, and I'm happy with it. It is looking absolutely amazing. Thumbs up this video if you like this roast fish recipe. Please hit that subscription button if you're new to my channel. Please turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, you have to try this recipe. Please leave me a comment also. Let me know what you think about this recipe. Until next time, stay safe.